When have you ever seen all 4 Teslas together? I've never seen it in a picture or a video before. What is up, everybody? If you remember, we got a Tesla Roadster, an original Roadster, and we already have a Model X, this gray guy right here. Well, one of our friends, Shay, I'll link him in the description below, but he reached out to us and said, hey, I just got a Model 3 Performance, and my buddy has a Tesla Model S P100D. So we thought it'd be fun to come out to an abandoned airport runway and see what it would be like to accelerate with every one of these cars. This is every Tesla that Tesla has ever made. It's the Model S, the Model X, the Model 3, and the original Roadster. A lot of people forget about that original Roadster, but check it out. There's our new little blue guy, 523, the Model S, Model 3, and the Model X. These are all performance models. Other than the Tesla Roadster, it's not really the sport model, but it's the Roadster. I would imagine the Model S is going to be the fastest, but who knows? When you're going 0 to 60, maybe it depends on the driver and how quick you push on the pedal. We're gonna get some crazy good videos. Shay is like an expert filming guy, cinematographer. Yeah. He's got his drone out. Did you figure it out yet?
Oh yeah. In fact, Danny said that if I win with my Model 3, I get your Roadster reservation. Was that correct?
You can have this Roadster and I'll take your Model 3. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera right here. Hopefully nobody hits this. It would be bad for the camera. It'd probably be worse for the Tesla. So get ready for this shot. This is gonna be a little tricky, but we can do this. All right, let's give it a practice. What's the countdown gonna look like?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes. Oh, wait. Oh. Sam went. Sam thought that was it. Okay, so we're gonna go on go. This is the trickiest part with drag racing, is getting people to all push on the pedal at the exact same time. It's gonna be hard to get that because there's just 4 of us. That's a lot of variables, and we're kind of close together, so try not to hit me.
I won't hit you, you don't hit me.
All right, I probably shouldn't be holding the camera while I do this. All right, whenever you're ready, go for it. Oh wait, whoa. Let me make sure I'm in drive. Yeah, I'm in drive, okay. All right, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Me! They crushed me! Ah! We'll have to have you take a look at the footage and see how it really panned out. I think my Model X beat the Model 3, so that's good to see. This just goes to show you the acceleration and what's changed within Teslas over the last 7 or 8 years. This is the Roadster. When it came out, it was one of the fastest vehicles you could find, and now here we are losing to a Model 3, which the Model 3 out the door is the one that he has right now, I think is around $65,000. This Roadster, when it first came out, was $125,000. That's what this exact model right here was. I have the sticker somewhere here in the car. Definitely the technology has changed a lot. You get a lot from that Model 3 Performance. Let's go ask him if he cheated. Hey, how did it go? Did you win?
Hell, the conquering hero!
It was hard for me to see. Okay, which one was second place? Could you tell?
Oh, the X for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the Model 3 came in a respectable. I actually wasn't pressing the accelerator all the way down, so I hit it wrong, but.
Second place is first loser.
Right.
This is really nuts. What a cool experience.
Is it pretty fast though, the car?
It just, like, I think I black out. 3, 2, 1, go! Jeez, that thing's so fast.
I saw you slow down. Did you get some gravel on your car or something?
I think I chipped up my window on that one pretty good.
No!
I hope you did. Did you really?
Where, really?
Did I do that? There. Yeah, you cheater. Oh, it's a shame.
Oh, no.
Elon, please send him a new windshield, please.
Crap. So I saw you slow down before the finish line. I'm like, uh-oh, did he get rocks? At least you got the ceramic coating on here. That should protect your paint, right? You did ceramic coating?
No, not yet. Lesson to all Tesla owners.
Yikes. Sorry about that, Shay. Let it be noted, this was Shay's idea. No, just kidding.
They are awesome cars. Just nothing else. Well, I think the real question is the Model 3 that much slower to warrant double the price tag? You know, Will, when you figure you have to replace a windshield every time you go drag racing, probably make up that money pretty dang quick.
There's no doubt the Model 3 is a good car. Doesn't do the Christmas dance like the Model X, but
that's true.
I'd like to know your thoughts. What did you think about these? Did anything surprise you from it? The Roadster, surprisingly, is the slowest. It's the old battery technology, first car they made. It just doesn't accelerate as fast. Check out Shay. He's the one that filmed those epic shots and edited those beautiful cinematic shots, and he has a YouTube channel. He just got started up, and let us know what else you want to see. What do you want to see with the Roadster or any of these cars? Anything that you want to see, let us know. Guys, good job at driving. Thanks for not crashing into each other. Well done. You guys killed it over there. The cameras. That was fun. Thanks, guys. Okay, so I never won in my Roadster. Sad story. Never won. That's all right though.
Seeing how far back you are makes it even more funny when your wife's worried about the kids.
I know exactly. All right, did you hear that comment from Shay? He said, isn't it even more funny how scared Leslie was riding in this thing when I'm clearly the slowest one here, and she was terrified. The kids!
I feel so dangerous right now. If we both die, the kids, Daddy, the kids.
I think I black out.